He's been kind enough to let us hide out the back here. He's going to get involved there. And this is our dedicated space. So the whole shop is what you kind of see around you here. I don't know, 9,000 some square feet. This is our dedicated space, and then we just took over this space over here that you saw me working in. His guys have a lot of that space, and then there's all shared machinery, table saws, stuff like that. Which, Vince, you want to take them around for a quick tour, sure, machinery-wise?
Thanks.
So we'll start where you guys walked in. Come over here.
Be careful, guys.
Sorry.
I thought it was a drawer fix. So we don't do it that often, but the other shops, they do a lot of built-in cabinetry, millwork stuff. Most of the time it's custom veneer, so we'll order mass extras usually, so this is all like extra stuff.
Custom
But
veneer.
we'll take the veneer, we got a little stitching machine over here. Well, first you'll trim it down, get a nice clean edge, and then you stitch it together and get big panels of veneer. And then we have this press, glue both sides, press it with veneer, and then you got a custom veneer paint. So usually we'll press veneer. A lot of times this thing has heat on it too, so if you have a lot of panels, you can press it. Once the heat's going, it's like 5 minutes, and then you're all set. And then you'll take that panel out. It's always got tons of glue all over it, so we'll take it, bring it over to this down here, this big long sander over here. That guy is a pretty aggressive sander, so you can take full panels and roll it on this guy. And it's just a big belt sander. You got this big 100 grit sandpaper. Sheet on here, move this back and forth, and then just kind of go like that. You can sand through really quick though with it. You gotta take it really light. But that will, once it's pressed up, that'll take the glue right off. It's pretty quick on here. So we got that. We have 2 big table saws here. So we'll do all our cuts and everything. Now the table. Solid area. Go in there and clean. This guy, a lot of times if you're pretty much all the machines that we're working with. Obviously, we'll get into like projects. You guys want to check out what he's doing over here? You show him everything, Ben? Yeah, good enough. All right.
What's that, man?
Oh, what is that? Everything else happens. So basically, if you guys are, some of you may be familiar with this program. This is what we use to do all of our shot drawings.
What's the name of the program?
It's called SketchUp.
Oh, SketchUp.
So it's a free program.
Oh yeah, I know that.
It used to be by Google and now it's by another company called Trimble. And I think the pro version, which allows you to do a few more things with your models, it's like $650, which in the realm of digital programs for doing stuff like this is super cheap. So this is where we start with everything that we do. For this table though, what we ended up having to do was basically model each of the pieces. So that's the bottom piece that you see that he's spinning off of basically. And then this is the top piece that he's spinning. So he's actually got it upside down. We're gonna flip it over and it's gonna be the table, hopefully. We're not sure yet. But what we were doing earlier today is trying to get, this is our radius that we're trying to achieve. These are our glued up pieces, so we're trying to see how much material we actually have to remove from the piece itself to get to like a really small, well, minimal is what we're going for. We don't want to weaken the yoke, and if it moves, you know, we don't want it to snap or things like that. So this is going, I guess, front and center at an Equinox gym on the Upper East Side. So if something happens to it, it's going to be very noticeable. But this is where we started, basically. So we got, you know, the idea from the designer, the architect sent us over. Actually, no. This was Equinox's in-house interior design team that sent us this table. And they said, can you guys do this? We sort of, you know, drew up a version of the table that they sent because what they sent us was actually a 3D rendering.
which look kind of something like that you see there. Those are great for design and sort of material looks, but it doesn't tell you how to build it. And some things aren't really feasible in the real world, as you can see what we're doing out there. So we took a drawing like that and then sort of put it into this program and created a drawing that we knew we could build, more or less. So that's kind of how everything begins.